Today it is Maundy Thursday. Now I am standing in front of Cherpungal Foreign Church in Kerala. On this day, the Last Supper occurred and it is being commemorated by Christians all over the world. After that, Judas, one of his disciples, betrayed Jesus Christ. On this day, another very important thing also really happened. Jesus washed the feet of his disciples to teach them the lesson of humility.
Krishna